All right. My name's Tracy. I'll be the nurse taking care of you. I'm just going to listen to your lungs and then I'll listen to your heart afterwards. I'm just looking to make sure your chest is symmetrical. You're breathing evenly. Okay. I'm going to press on your chest here and I want you to say 99.
99.
And again.
99.
And again.
99.
And again.
99.
Okay. That was equal and symmetric on both sides. Now I'm going to listen to your lungs. Take some deep breaths in through your mouth. Okay, good. Now I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to go behind you and do your back. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to have you say 99.
99. 99. 99. 99. 99.
Okay, that was symmetric also and equal on both sides. I'm going to do the same thing and I'm going to listen. I just want you to take deep breaths in through your mouth. Okay, that sounds good as well. Your lungs are nice and clear.